Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a student? A professional? Do you want to improve your typing speed? This video is just perfect for you. Did you know the average person can type between 38 to 40 words per minute or WPM, but a professional typist can type a lot faster. They can do 65 to 75 words per minute, but there are a lot of people that I know that can type more than that. So where do you fall between these two? If you want to be a fast typer, then I have 5 tips for you today. My first tip is to know your home keys. You don't have to use just one finger to type everything. If you do that, it will take you a long time to finish what you're doing. That's where the home keys come in. So the home keys are for your left hand, A, S, D, F, and the thumb is for the space bar. On your right hand, J, K, L, and the one with the semicolon, and the thumb is for the space bar as well. In this diagram, you can see the color coding for each keys. Now let's move on to the second tip. You need to relax. You're just gonna type. You're not going into a war. You're not going into a battle. Just relax, be confident, be cool. Usually I shake my hands before typing, but it's up to you. My third tip for you is do not rush. If you are a beginner, don't expect that you can type 70 words per minute. It's okay to start slow, and your speed will progress once you are used to it. Tip number 4. This is really helpful, especially if you are typing documents at work or at school. You need to scan the next word or phrase in advance. And tip number 5, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Though not really perfect, but it can help you improve faster. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting guys, like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to receive the latest updates from me.